And he's often referred to as Govinda, Krishna, Govinda. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. So go has many meanings in Sanskrit. Vindate. So Govindate means that person who stole their hearts is the same person who stole their senses. Because go means indriya, their eyes, their nose, their ears. All their senses were stolen by Krishna's contact, seeing him, smelling the fragrance of his garland or his form. And now, Govinda, one who pleases all the senses. Their minds were stolen because their senses were so pleased. Now the one who's been pleasing their senses for their whole life, that Govinda, Govindate. Indate means one who satisfies or pleases the go. That's why Krishna's name is Govinda. Very popular name for Bhagavan. Govinda mero he, Gopala mero he. Govinda mero he, Gopala mero he. Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopala Jaya Jaya. The very popular bhajans. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. So Govinda is appearing now and 7 times more in the Ras Leela. Because it's all about higher taste. Param dristva nivartate. Krishna is telling in Gita, Param dristva nivartate, that when one param dristi, when one sees or focuses on or receives the experience of a rasavarjam rasopyasya. Rasavarjam rasopyasya. Rasavarjam means an expansion of taste, an ever-expanding. Varjam means ever-expanding increase in pleasure, satisfaction, delight, and fulfillment. This is the experience of Krishna. Krishna's name, Krishna's form, Krishna's taste, Krishna's touch, Krishna's words, everything, his smell. So rasavarjam rasopyasya param dristva nivartate. This is Bhagavad Gita. So the gopis have been experiencing this. This is Govinda. Govinda represents that higher taste because he saturates and inundates and satisfies all the senses. That Bhagavan is called Govinda. Vishnu is the Aishvarya Vaikuntha Vishnu. The power, the grandeur, the majesty, the omnipotence. And Krishna is the all-attractive one, which includes, of course, everything ultimately. But now Govinda. Because in the name Govinda is not only Krishna's attribute of Govindate. Govindate or Govinda. He's the Indra, the Lord of the senses, Rishikesha, Rishikena. He's the Lord of the senses, or the master of the senses. But in this word Govinda, the gopis are also there.